Random access memory, or RAM, is a form of computer data storage. It takes the form of integrated circuits that allows for data to be accessed in any order with a worst-case performance of constant time. RAM is often associated with volatile types of memory where its stored information is lost if the power is removed. Here's our demo on how to install a random access memory. First, determine what kind of RAM you need and whether your computer has enough open slots to hold it. The new RAM should match the existing RAM specifications and configurations. Second, remove the computer cover. Next, pick up your SIM or single inline memory module or DIMM or dual inline memory module by the ends without touching pins or chips. Take note, don't touch at the center. You can hold the RAM only on their edge. And then, make sure the small holes on each side of a SIM fit into holders. Fill or hear retaining clips, lock a SIM into the socket, close the side clips of a DIMM. At the end, replace the cover and reconnect all the peripherals.
Ano ka mga brand niya?
The best thing about tonight's that we're not fighting. Could it be that we have been this way before? I know you don't think that I am trying. I know you're wearing thin down to the core. But hold your breath, because tonight will be